With the number of available online platforms to share your stories and interests, content creation has been a practice that a lot of people today are now doing, including us. And as such, it's just important to equip yourself with gear that will further enable and nourish your creativity to produce quality content.
With that in mind, a laptop is a tool that is essential in a content producer's arsenal. And with ASUS leading the pack when it comes to OLED laptops for creators, it's no surprise that its ASUS Vivobook Pro 16X OLED is a great consideration for those looking to upgrade their machine.
So whether you're just starting out in content production or not, here are reasons the ASUS Vivobook Pro 16X OLED could be a content creator's dream laptop.
Having a spacious display has always been welcome, more so if you're working on videos, editing photos, or rendering designs. And with the Vivobook Pro 16X OLED screen that spans 16 inches across, you get that needed real estate so you can have multiple windows active at the same time, and you wouldn't have to keep on switching between different tabs. Having a screen this large could also eliminate the need for a dedicated desktop that takes up a lot of space in a room. Plus, the display comes with 4K resolution, so even though you squeeze in different windows into its 16:10 screen, the elements are still easily seen compared to that of a lower resolution panel. And of course, you get that crisp and sharp details watching videos or previewing photos made possible by its ultra-high-def display. When it comes to picture quality, its display delivers deep blacks thanks to its OLED panel backed up by HDR and is Pantone validated, translating to professional-grade color accuracy.
Now, this is something that content creators like us look for, since we still tweak our footage and raw photos to give them a different look and vibe depending on what we need.
And of course, when you just want to sit back and relax, you can stream movies or videos and enjoy its immersive visuals accompanied by immersive audio. The Vivobook Pro 16X OLED is equipped with Harman Kardon speakers, so enjoying and appreciating different content on the laptop is an easy thing to achieve. Specifically designed for designers, photographers, video editors, and the like, the Vivobook Pro 16X OLED comes with a dial pad found on its touchpad that can be activated by a simple swipe. This is the company's way of offering you a creator's tool built into the laptop, so you no longer have to shell out extra cash for additional accessories. When turned on, the rotary sensor on the upper left area of the pad transforms into a different tool that lets you scrub through your timeline with precision during video editing, produce efficient and accurate brush controls on Photoshop, or even just scroll through active windows when browsing. The dial pad is optimized to work with third-party creative applications like Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Premiere Pro, Surface Dial, and more. I have personally been using this for video editing, and I could say that it really makes a difference, especially during times that I'm out for quick edits, as it helps with precise scrubbing and cutting of clips. You can still use the touchpad to move your cursor while dial pad is active, but when not in use, simply turn it off with the same gesture and you're back to a traditional trackpad. Of course, useful and unique features are nothing without a capable set of internals to keep things running smoothly. Inside the chassis of this laptop is a powerful Intel processor to keep up with the software and apps you run. This is then coupled with creator-grade graphics to ensure that rendering and other media-related tasks are handled with ease. And another benefit of having those internals in a compact laptop is that you can bring your work with you anywhere you go. You basically have the crunching power of a desktop that can fit inside a bag, so portability is no issue. For the videos we produce at The Modern Creatures, we shoot on 4K resolution and toss them straight to Premiere Pro. Using this laptop, editing and color grading videos showed no hiccups during playback. To even take things up a notch, Vika also did few motion graphics on Adobe After Effects, and things were mostly smooth from importing, editing, and exporting said heavy graphics. For memory, it's got 16GB of RAM with 512GB of storage. With all those working together, we experienced minimal to no lags when it comes to switching between different active programs. We do know that the mentioned programs like Adobe Premiere or Adobe Photoshop can be resource intensive for your laptop, especially if you're working on big projects with multiple layers or heavy effects. This is why the Vivobook Pro 16X OLED comes with powerful internals. But of course, with greater processing power also comes more heat that needs to be dispersed. The laptop comes with a company's cooling system that helps maintain temperature at a normal rate.
During my time, it did get warm when I was exporting 4K videos, but still not hot enough for me to need to give it a break to rest.
This simply means you can be working on the laptop for extended periods of time, and it can keep up with your demands with no fuss. Apart from that, this cooling system is also responsible for minimizing noise during usage while maximizing its overall system performance. Again, allowing you to use it as a daily workhorse with no hiccups so you can concentrate more on working on your craft. ASUS really did its homework and knew that connectivity is a big part of a creator-focused laptop. This is because the works we produce need to be shared, whether it's for preview, submission to a client, or publishing online. The ASUS Vivobook Pro 16X OLED comes with two USB 3.2 ports with fast data transfers, an HDMI 2.1 slot that supports up to 8K 60Hz of additional display, Thunderbolt 4 USB-C, audio jack, and a micro SD reader so you can easily get your files from an action camera or drone as few examples. It even comes with an Ethernet port that we were able to use in more than one way for faster uploads of long videos on our YouTube channel and for downloading folders of materials needed from our home network storage. Just this specific port alone, the laptop was already able to make our workflow more efficient and a lot faster. With these features and components working hand in hand, what the ASUS Vivobook Pro 16X OLED offers is to provide you with most, if not all, tools that creators look for in a laptop. You get a display with ample screen real estate, powerful internals with a reliable cooling system, and an array of ports to accommodate multiple needs. To add to that, it's also able to streamline workflows that turn a 3-step process, for example, into a 1-step operation using its dial pad. And this in itself is a large help for editors and creatives alike, since every second we save matters.
And this is exactly what this laptop brings to the table.
The ASUS Vivobook Pro 16 OLED is currently priced at 159,995 pesos.